Hey traders, welcome to the weekly preview. It's Sunday and I want to speak about the coming trading week. What you can see here on the chart is the daily ES chart. So one bar that you can see here equals one trading day in the S&P 500. And what you can see, if you're following us already, there is a bigger downtrend working lower pretty much from beginning of last year. You cannot see this side of the chart because simply price action moved too far, but the downtrend started pretty much from here, and you can see a touch here, some touches here. And interesting to see right now, we broke this downtrend structure here. In the last week, we had some very strong pushes higher. You can see this very strong bull bar pushing higher here, confirmation here, another push higher here. And just now, like the last two trading days, we find some rejection here. You can see it on the VIX here at the top of the candlestick. And also notice we are at the top area in this bands here, and whenever prices are approaching the higher bands, you can, for example, see it very well here. When prices are approaching the upper bands, then there's a pullback. We're approaching the upper bands, there's a pullback. Then also to the other side of this bands here, we're approaching the lower bands, there's a pullback. We come back to the lower bands and there's a pullback to the upper bands and another pullback. And you can see this is like following pretty much through all the weeks here. We're approaching the upper band and there's a pullback. I cannot tell how long we are in a oversold or overbought area. That can be a couple of days. Then there can be a small pullback and we can come back and test it one more time. So right now we are in the overbought area. This is when prices are approaching this violet band here and this brown band. Then we are in overbought territory, and whenever we are in overbought territory in the next coming days, we can expect a pullback. From price action point of view, we are in a downtrend structure, and there was a shorter term uptrend channel pretty much that started, let's say, from October last year, and there were a couple pushes higher. So this downtrend was this uptrend here was confirmed. Excuse me. We had the first break of this uptrend, and in my last videos I was saying that this retest here could be enough already to retest the structure. But since the structure was bigger, we can read now that there was a break and a couple pushes higher to the last extreme. And I noticed or I marked this level with this blue line here. So we retested the highs, we even made new highs. So from price action point of view, this uptrend here, this green uptrend broke, made a new extreme. So this uptrend played out, and this downtrend here, this huge downtrend, broke for the first time. And according to price action, we expect a retest of the extremes of the downtrend. So a retest would be here around the 3,600 level. And these lows were made the same in October last year. So it's very interesting where price action is located right now. In shorter term price action, so that means the next coming days, I expect a pullback back inside this middle area of this bands here. And on longer term, I think we will see a retest of the lows, because this downtrend structure here broke for the first time. And if we consider this downtrend as valid, then we should see at least a retest of the lows. and yeah, that can play out in the next couple weeks or even months. But yeah, shorter term, especially for the coming trading week, I think we can expect either some sideways action here because we are in overbought area, or a pullback inside this range here. We broke out of this downtrend one time, tested the area, pushed higher, came back, tested again, and then this very strong bullish bar was formed. And yeah, so it's likely that we see a test of this breakout area at least, and that means a pullback in this area here. From news point of view, in the coming week we have not very important news events. You can see here on Tuesday Powell speaks, so whenever he speaks, that can cause huge volatility, because if he's losing some words regarding pivot or more rate hikes, then market is getting crazy. So watch out on Tuesday, 12 pretty much. On Wednesday, this event is marked here as high impact news as well. You can see the red color. Williams speak, but I think we will not expect huge volatility here. So I don't know why this event is marked as high impact news, but personally I would not consider it as high impact. More important, I think on Thursday we see the unemployment claims. This is a very important measure because if unemployment claims rise, that could be a positive signal for the market, because when unemployment claims rise, that's a signal for the Fed to stop raising the rates, and this is a potential signal to pivot. So keep an eye on this event here. And then only on Friday, 10 in the morning, we have the consumer sentiment, also important measurement, because we can see an indication how consumers are buying. So yeah, watch out for this news events. And I think, yeah, that's it for this preview already. I wish you a great trading week and speak to you next week, most probably on Friday. Good trades to you.